if you don't mind, John, just tell us what exactly is private equity? So if I invest whatever amount of money into a private equity fund, am I owning one company? I mean, am I owning a bunch of companies? Am I owning a fund of companies? What should a person expect when it comes to what they're actually holding in an investment?
It's a great question. We talked about these companies are staying private longer. What these funds are doing is they are typically doing one of two things. They are typically accessing direct investments. So that could be a direct investment into the company or what we call a co-investment, right? Where you kind of co-invest alongside other investors into that company. You would own a private stake in that company. That's one example of what might be in these funds. The other thing is to get more diversification. There are funds out there that are already doing this. And so you might hear the term secondaries. And what a secondaries investment is, because private equity is fairly illiquid, when people want to go ahead and actually get liquidity, they might actually offer that liquidity to somebody else. So you're actually now creating this ecosystem, right? So somebody might say, do you want a private equity secondaries investment? And what that is one buyer basically providing liquidity just to a seller. And that's a secondary investment. So typically what we see is these funds offer either a co-investment or direct access into the company, or you might be able to buy a secondary portfolio or secondary access to a company itself. Those are the two most prominent ways that people are getting access to private equity today.